everybody. My name is Gammu. Today, Gammu and Garima are going to tell you a story. Are you all ready for the story? And I'm going to see you after the story. Let's welcome Garima now. Bye-bye.
Hello everybody. So that was Gammu and I'm Garima and we are from Dramabaz Company and I'm going to tell you the story today, and the name of the story is Shy Red Learns to Sing and it's by Time Life Publications. But I've adapted it into a puppet show for you today, and I've also changed the name of the rooster. The rooster's name in my story is Roosty, alright? And it is the story where we're going to tell you how Roosty is really shy and finally you have to help him to become confident towards the end of the story. So are you all ready? Let's go. And Roosty the rooster looks something like this, and that is a stick puppet. And the rest of the puppets that I'm going to use in the story are paper puppets. Alright, so here we go. Once upon a time, in a farm, lived an old rooster. The old rooster could not say kukuruku very loudly anymore because he was really old. Now all the farm animals were used to waking up in the morning with a kukuruku. It was like their alarm clock. So they would wake up in the morning and then finally do their everyday chores. But now that the old rooster was not able to do kukuruku so loud, old rooster came to the young rooster, Roosty, and said to him,
"Oh, Roosty, you know I'm really old and I can't say kukuruku so loudly. So from now on, I request you to do that every morning. Otherwise, all the farm animals will keep sleeping."
Now Roosty was really kind and very helpful, but he was very nervous. He had never spoken like so loud in front of so many people. So now he was getting all nervous and very shy. So he said to the old rooster, I'm so sorry. I really want to help, but I don't think I can say kukuruku so loudly in front of all the animals, and that too on a rooftop. Now the old rooster said to the young rooster,
"Roosty, you will have to help us. Please, Roosty."
So now Roosty started to think and he said, alright, I'll try tomorrow morning.
Thank you so much, Roosty. Only you can do this. Thank you.
And so the old rooster went back. Now next morning, when the sun rose up in the sky, Roosty the rooster climbed up the rooftop. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tock. And then he decided to say kukuruku. Uh-oh. But Roosty wasn't loud enough.
Roosty, you'll have to be a little louder than this. All the animals are still sleeping. I don't think I can do this.
And sadly, Roosty came down from the rooftop.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tock.
Now in the evening when the sun went down, Roosty was sitting sadly. Just then someone came there and wanted to talk to Roosty. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. And so the froggy said to the Roosty,
Ribbit, Roosty, what happened? Why didn't you wake us up in the morning? None of us could do our work.
Now Roosty was feeling very, very sad. And Roosty said,
I'm so sorry, Froggy. I really tried, but I don't think I can be so loud. You know, I'm shy. Oh, I see. So that's the problem. Don't you worry. I'm going to help you. Really? can you help me? Oh yeah, I'm going to go on the rooftop tomorrow and try and say cuckoo. Okay? That'll be great. Thank you so much. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.
Now, our Roosty went to sleep.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tock.
And next morning, when the sun rose up in the sky, Frog climbed up the rooftop.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
And now he's going to try and say cuckoo. Are you all ready? Do you think frogs can say cuckoo? How many of you think frogs can say cuckoo? All right, let's see.
Cuckoo, ribbit, ribbit. Cuckoo, ribbit, ribbit. Cuckoo, ribbit. Cuckoo, ribbit, ribbit. I don't think I can say cuckoo. I can only say ribbit.
And so the frog was really disappointed, and it was evening again. Now, our Roosty had understood that, frogs cannot say cuckoo. So Roosty thought that next morning he'll give it one more try. So next morning, when the sun rose up in the sky, Roosty climbed up the rooftop again.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tock.
And this time he tried to say cuckoo again.
Cuckoo. Roosty, you'll have to be louder.
I think all of you will have to help us, right? So we all can say together, "Come on, Roosty, you can do it!" Are you all ready? Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3.
Come on, Roosty, you can do it. Come on, Roosty, you can do it. Do you all really think I can do it?
Yeah, I think you can. Why don't you try once again?
All right, let me try.
So he took a deep breath and he started to try once again.
Cuckoo.
Roosty, you'll have to be a little louder.
Cuckoo. I cannot do it. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tock.
And our Roosty was disappointed again, and it was evening once again. Then while Roosty was sitting sadly and wondering what to do, somebody else came to meet him.
Woof! Woof, woof! Woof! Woof, woof, woof! Woof, woof, woof! Woof, 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 woof! Oh, hey, doggy. Please don't be angry at me. Woof! Woof, woof! I'm so sorry. I really, really tried. But I just cannot. Woof, woof! Ow, 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 ow! Are you saying that you're going to try say cuckoo tomorrow morning? Woof, woof, woof! All right. Thank you so much. Woof!
So next morning, when the sun rose up in the sky, Doggy thought he should try.
Woof, woof! Woof, woof!
And so he climbed up the rooftop.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tock.
And then he tried to say cuckoo.
Cuckoo, woof, woof, woof! Cuckoo, woof, woof, woof! Cuckoo, woof, woof, woof! Woof, 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 woof.
And the poor doggy got really frustrated and he left. And then it was evening. By now, the rooster had realized that only the rooster can say cuckoo and no other animals. So Roosty said,
Oh, only I can say cuckoo. I've understood now. But can you help me? I just need some cheering up.
"Of course we can help you, Roosty. What are friends for?" So if ever you see anyone who needs more confidence, you know what you need to do? You need to boost them up, cheer them up. So if Roosty needs help, I'm going to say to you 1, 2, 3, and after that all of us are going to cheer him up by saying, Roosty, you can do it! Louder! Louder! Okay, are you all ready? Let's try this. So then Roosty decided to go onto the rooftop. When the sun rose up in the sky, Roosty went up the rooftop. Are you all going to say with me? Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, took. And then Roosty is going to try to say cuckoo now. Are you all ready? Let's do this. Cuckoo! I think that was much better, Roosty. All that you need to do is a bit louder. Do you think we should help him? Let's try this. Ready? You know what to say after I say 1, 2, 3, go? We have to say, come on, Roosty, you can do it. Louder, louder. Okay, ready? Let's try. 1, 2, 3, go. Come on, Roosty, you can do it. Louder, louder.
All right. If you all insist, let me try.
1, 2, 3, and here he goes. Oh my God! Well done, Roosty. You did it.
Oh, thank you. Thank you to you. Thank you to everybody. Thank you so much for encouraging me and motivating me to do this. I feel much confident now.
That's amazing, Roosty. We are so happy for you.
Yay! Will you all say it together with me once? Let's say cuckoo together.
Yeah, we're ready. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Cuckoo!
All right. Thank you so much, Roosty. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you to you. Bye-bye. I hope you all enjoyed the story. Yes, if you did, then shout it out. Cuckoo! Enjoy more stories and have more fun. Bye-bye. This is Gamu signing off. Mwah.